The question is, consider the utility function u of xy which is equal to log of x plus twice log of y. X and y are the two goods. We need to find out the marginal utility of good x and marginal utility of good y. Okay, so what we have been given? We have been given the utility function u, that is utility is a function of two goods x and y, which is equal to log of x plus twice log of y. First question is to find out the marginal utility of good x. By marginal utility of good x, what we mean, how much our total utility changes when there is 1 unit change in the consumption of good x. Okay, so let's denote it by marginal utility of good x by this mux, which is simply equal to the partial derivative of this utility function. Let me write it here, du x comma y with respect to good x. Okay, if I take partial derivative of this function, log of x, its derivative is simply 1 upon x. Okay, and derivative of second term will be equal to 0 because we are taking the partials here. Okay, now this is the marginal utility of good x. Marginal utility of good x came out to be 1 upon x. Okay, symmetrically we can find out the marginal utility of good y. So marginal utility of good y will be MUY. That means how much our total utility changes when there is 1 unit change in the consumption of good y. So this is symmetrically equal to del utility del u of x comma y with respect to good y. Okay, this time we take the derivative of the given utility function with respect to good y. Since no y is involved in the first term, its derivative is 0. Derivative of twice log y will be equal to 2 is same log of y is 1 upon y, which comes out to be 2 upon y. This is the marginal utility of good y. Okay, this is our MUY.